Computer viruses normally spread in many ways, but the two common ways through which these viruses normally spread is one, through network. As you know that internet is one of the world's largest network, and millions of people normally use internet on daily basis. This creates internet as one of the best avenue of spreading computer viruses. The next method is through the use of or the through sharing of storage devices, things like flash disks, because they are portable. We normally copy file from one machine to another, and people can embed viruses on those files. For example, music, images, maybe even Word documents. You can use macro to embed that virus on that file. I know one day I'll take time and do create a virus, show how you can embed it on an image, something like that. And even when you share to someone, they will not be able to notice whether there is another file which is bundled together. Um, we normally call them payloads, which is loaded on that image. So in our today's session, I'm not talking about or advocating on how you can spread computer viruses. Have been a trainer for many years, and one of my responsibilities that I've had is to make sure that computers in a computer lab are working or are in good condition. So in this session, I would like to share with you one of the best methods that I've been using to make sure that students, they will not use USB ports by blocking the USB ports. So this will make sure I'll make sure that the student will not be in a position maybe to kind of plug their flash disks on my machines and maybe spread viruses, because once we have all these ones, the machine might go down and even it will become difficult to train the student. So before we start our session, it's good to know that on this channel we normally share matters to do with the technology. That is, we share skills and knowledge and educate each other. And also, if you need to learn something, you can feel free to visit this website, that is called Star, and you can enroll for some of the skill-based courses that we normally offer on this platform. So let's get back to our today's session. And one thing that you need to do is to go to the start button on the search. You can write reg edit, that is register edit. I know that one of my last video that I did was to change the name of the processor from either Core i5 to Core i7. You can check that video, feel free to do that. But in our today's session, I'm going to show you how now you can block your ports, that is USB ports, such that in case maybe someone comes with a USB port, a USB flash disk, or maybe something like that, and they plug it on your machine, then the machine is not going to automatically open that or recognize that maybe to open that USB storage devices immediately. So what do? You go to H key, local machine, then system. After system, you choose current control sets. Then on this case, you jump into the services. Once you get to the services, you have to scroll all the way to letter U. You look for USB STOR, this one. And once you click that folder, now you can see the option for start here. And then you double click this one. Then change this one to number 4, not 3. Currently it's 3, which means it's on. When you change it to 4, it is going to be off. So what it's going to do, it is going to block the USB automatically, such that when you plug in the USB port, it doesn't open immediately. There is that auto run executable file that is executed immediately when you plug the USB port, USB flash disk. So in my case, I have a flash disk. Let me connect it to see whether the flash disk is working. So you can see, if I plug it like that, you can hear the sound. It has connected, but if I refresh here, it is not responding. So let me go back and take it back to number 3. So registry editor, then you click on yes, and on this case, on the start, I'll set it back to 3. Then I click OK. and automatically that one I can close and refresh and plug my USB port, flash disk, sorry, then connect it back. When I connect, I think if I double, even it has responded automatically. It's here. Now this is the USB which is referred to as a Kingston. So that's how you normally block those ports, and no one, most of the students, assuming like even first year, second year, third year, most of them, they will not maybe know what is happening, and they will be satisfied with that. So you'll be on the safe side and your machine will be safe. So in case maybe you are an IT administrator somewhere in an office, you need to make sure the machines are okay, they are safe from those kind of viruses that can be spread via the flash disk, because employees, not all the employees are nice people. They might come with a flash disk, whether they have knowledge of what is happening or maybe they don't know, and this will affect the whole institution. Maybe data can be lost and all those kind of stuff. So it's good to be on the safe side, and you can take caution. So the last thing is to make sure you subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Give the video a thumbs up, and again, share to as many people as you can. This is how you support this channel, and I would like to appreciate a lot for the guys who have been supporting this channel. Continue doing so. In case maybe there is a topic that you might need me to cover, feel free to share on the comments and we'll be able to go through. I have a lot which is lined up, as even I promised you another one where I will do a virus. I have a whole PDF of different ways on how you can create different kind of viruses, and I'll be able to share with you. Create one, embed it on a document. Maybe we can create a CV and send or maybe an image and send it to someone, and they will not have any knowledge whether there is something which is happening. So in this case, continue supporting this channel. I'm not advocating for bad use of technology. It's a matter of just being on the safe side. That's my idea. So if you use it on a in a different way or in a bad way, just get to know you are on your own. And thank you guys, and continue supporting this channel.